What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I am Malak, the hottest and the highest. And since the holidays are coming up and it's going to be a lot of family gatherings and stuff, I thought I would share with you guys a nice little infused mocktail recipe. Something that light and can take the edge off a little bit, and it kind of rises the vibe without the hangover. So I am going to share it with you guys. It's only 3 ingredients that you need. It's really simple, easy, and you can do it discreetly. First thing you need is you need some club soda. I'm going to tell you now, don't put this in the shaker. I learned my lesson. Use this nowadays drink that I've been trying for a little while, probably like a week now. I really like it. The high is nice, but it's not too overwhelming. But honestly, for this recipe, you can use any infusion that you want to use. I use this one because I like the high. I used it. I also have made it with like other recipes as well that aren't necessarily this, like tincture and other things like that too. So like I said, just use whatever you have on hand. Next, I'm gonna take some lemon juice. Not too much. Now, it depends on if you want it to be more tart or not. I want it kind of a little bit more tart, so I'm gonna use a good amount. Directions that a full shot, is equal to 10 milligrams. So based off that, kind of depends on how much you want to use. It's all up to you and your medicating style and how much you can handle. So I am going to take my shaker and pour in my nowadays and my lemon juice. Shake it up. Pour in my club soda to a glass. And then add my lemon and infusion mix. That is really good. Light and refreshing, and it's kind of been my go-to drink, like I said, for a week now. I love the taste, and it's not too overly complicated. Making this, definitely tag me in it. I want to see it so I can hype you up. If you want to see more content of mocktails with a little infusion twist, let me know, because I definitely want to make this into like a series. I think that would be so fun, especially with the holidays coming up and everything. So let me know down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more of these mocktail kind of videos, because I definitely want to make it a series.